Let's see. We have question 1 of Jee Advanced 2024 Maths paper 1. So the limit question. What we'll do is try to get something in the numerator which can easily be solved then. We can apply L'Hopital's rule, I think, directly. We'll get limit t goes to x d by dt of the numerator, which is 10 t to the power of 9 fx minus x to the power of 10 f prime t upon 9 t to the power of 8. Now this is not a 0 upon 0 form, so it simply becomes 10x to the power of 9 fx minus x to the power of 10 f prime t f prime x upon 9 x to the power of 8. This is x square f prime x by 9 minus 10x fx by 9 goes to minus 1. So implies f prime x minus 10 fx upon x is to minus 9 by x square. Now we'll divide by x to the power of 10, because then we'll have perfect differential form here. So that gives us f prime x upon x to the power of 10 minus 10 fx 11 equals to minus 9 upon x to the power of 12, which gives us d by dx of fx upon x to the power of 10 equals to d by dx of x to the power of minus 11, because when this is differentiated we'll get x to the power of minus 11 x to the power of minus 12. Minus 11 gets cancelled, we get a minus in here, and in the denominator we'll have x to the power 12. So implies fx upon x to the power of 10 is equals to 9 11 x to the power of minus 11. Plus c. For the value of c, we are given f1 equals to 2. Substituting x equals to 1, we get 2 upon 1 equals to 9 upon 11 plus c. Implies c is equals to 2 minus 9 by 11, 13 by 11. We get fx equals to 9 upon 11, x to the power of minus 11 into x to the power 10 is minus 1, plus 13 upon 11, x to the power of 10. Yeah. So answer is B. This exactly is the option B, the answer.